Hello guys! People mostly share their successes and keep quiet about their losses. Because we see only success around, we might think bad about ourselves. A year ago I made a list of goals for 2023. It wasn't a list like do it or die trying. It was more like a list of things which nice to happen. I kept window of opportunities in my life open, and actually I got more than I can expected. But before, let's dive into my list. When I moved to the Philippines, I had bank loans. And even being here without plans to go back, I was still paying them. It was one of my goals in 2023 to pay all my bank loans. I had stocks on amount of money about the same or maybe even bigger than my bank loans. But because of my stubbornness, I made a mistake and I didn't accept it. So as a result, my stocks lost most of their value. And after that they were blocked because of war and sanctions. Since then I cannot buy or sell anymore. They just on my trading account without any opportunities to do anything with them. However, something unexpected happened. My father got extra money and decided to help me. And I want to say thank you to him for it. It was really one of my goals which I deeply wanted to achieve. And it happened with me in totally unexpected way. I was going to record 100 long-form videos on my YouTube channel. But it appears that it is harder than I expected. I made around 60, maybe 61 videos. Because every time I try to make something interesting or useful to you. Some videos took for me a week or even 2 weeks to make one of them. And I also was going to record 100 short videos. But very soon I realized that I'm not into short form because I don't really watch it, so I'm not good in it, and I made around 13 in a year. I didn't set out a goal to have some special amount of subscribers because it is out of my control. Only one thing I can do, it is record videos as best as I can, and that's it. However, I'm grateful to every one of my 10,239 subscribers. I really appreciate your trust, and I responded to everyone in the comments, so thank you for your support and your activity. I set a goal to read 11 books in English. I read out loud because I want to train my pronunciation as well. And reading on a second language, it is much slower than reading on native language. I prefer to read non-fiction books, and I started 5, maybe 6 of them, but fully finished only one of them, because it's really hard to find the good ones. Many of them just a flop. However, I'm going to continue it and read this year, I hope more. And actually it was end of my list. But what else happened with me this year? I was certified in diving. I took open water course with Justin Carmack. I want to say thank you to him. He recently opened dive shop, his own, and I can highly recommend you him as a dive instructor. So it was really amazing experience there underwater to see so close fish and corals and all marine life. It was just unbelievable, amazing, and I highly recommend you to try if you never tried. But unfortunately I didn't dive since my certification because I had constantly problems with my ears. I got water there and pain. That's why I didn't dive anymore since then. Another great thing happened with me this year. I became a drone pilot. I wanted to do it for many years. When I lived in Moscow, I wanted to buy my drone, but I believed that Moscow doesn't really fit for having a drone, because mostly it is cold weather there and only a few months are available to fly. Views there also not so amazing as here in the Philippines. And nowadays drones are strictly prohibited because of the war. So it's really not a good place to have a drone. But here it's just amazing. Maybe you saw my recent video when I was flying in the clouds. Just unbelievable feeling. And unfortunately I crashed my drone there. Maybe you saw it on a video. I thought that everything is fine with it, but my battery died. I don't know why, but I cannot recharge it anymore. So I'm going to find a new one this year. The Philippines is one of the most beautiful countries on the planet. It has more than 7,500 islands. And this year I was on some of them. I visited several islands like Cebu, Palawan, Caron, Busuanga, Apo Island. I was in many cities. I made a road trip around whole Negros. Not everywhere I recorded videos, but I want to share some footage from my previous videos. And I want to share my goals for this year, because I think if I will tell them publicly, maybe I will take it more seriously. So my first goal is to earn more money that we spend. I want to get 13A visa, it is permanent residence in the Philippines. I'm aiming to produce more than 80 long-form videos on YouTube on my channel. I'm going to have more than 100 physical activities this year, and I'm going to count them all. And I'm going to read more than 5 books in English, I mean non-fiction books. And the best thing what happened with me this year, that I met you.
Oh, so
Yeah.
sweet. Yeah, me too.
My my wife, yeah, we just recently got married.
Yeah.
So Janice and Alexi, you are here today before me and before the community to make an irrevocable promise to live with one another and to share your love in oneness. Janice, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of Alexi as your husband?
Yes.
Alexi, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of Janice as your wife?
Yes.
Alexi, do you take Janice to be your wife, to live together in this holy matrimony, to love her, to honor her, to comfort her, and to keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others as long as you both shall live?
Yes, that's why we're here.
Chancellor, do you take Alexi to be your husband, to live together in his holy matrimony, to love him, to honor him, to comfort him, and to keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others as long as you both shall live?
Yes.
By virtue of the authority vested in me under the laws of the Philippines, calling on all those here present as witnesses, confirm and bless the band of marriage which you have contracted. I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride.
You never know when it will happen with you. You cannot plan it. You just need to be ready and go to meet your destiny, to meet
Yeah.
your fate. Yeah.
Yeah. You're right.
Yeah, and we are waiting our little one, our daughter Trixie, very soon, next year, in the beginning of the year. So, how was this year for you?
This year for me is the best year ever because I met you and we're gonna having a baby. Yeah, I'm so excited to see her.
Yeah, great.
And, yeah,
I'm sure next year will be even more saturated with events and totally different from our all previous life.
of course it's really different.
Yeah, to be parents, it's something new.
Yeah,
So
we
let's
need to.
try. Yeah.
Yeah, we need to. We need to enhance how to be a parent. You know.
We will do our best.
Yeah, we will do our best.
Maybe Trixie one day will watch this video, you know?
Yeah, maybe.
You can say hi to her.
Hi Trixie, I hope you
Yeah.
can see this video.
Yeah, I hope
Yeah.
you a good girl.
Yeah, we love you so much.
Yeah, of course. Thank you guys for
Thank
watching.
you guys.
Yeah, thank you for being with us all this
Yeah.
year. We received so many comments and kind words from you.
Mhm.
We really appreciate it, and it motivates us to produce more videos for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you people who supported us through PayPal and Buy Me a Coffee service. And thank you to a person who supported us whole year through PayPal, our friend from Idaho.
Mhm.
Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
we wish you a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, see you in next videos.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.